They should be able to demonstrate the ability to contribute effectively to the benefit of the team. They learn teamwork, which is a good thing because that really helps. They continue to update their professional knowledge and their skills to adapt to the changes in the technology, which we know changes every day, and the needs of the workplace.
IT is important to me because we get to help other people. A lot of people don't understand how IT works in their everyday life when it comes to using the cell phone or using the computer. Nobody really understands how they all connect together, and being able to provide assistance to people who don't really understand, it means a lot. So some of the things that we work on are mobile devices. We have iPad and laptop checkout. We work with desktops, laptops, hard drives. We work with a lot of software that faculty and staff need to be installed on their computer because they don't have administrative rights to that, so we do that as well. For a new student in the program, whether it's CS or IT, they can expect programming, which we work with Java, and we work with JavaScript, we work with PHP, HTML, CSS, Visual Basic. We work with different softwares that we program with. We also have to learn the inside and outside of the computer. And we also have to learn the operating systems and how they work together, how processes work, programs work, different editors that are on computers. We have to learn basically everything about the computer in and out.
Hello, my name is Joshua Murto. I'm a senior information technology major. One important area of IT is managing all the computer and technology devices in the workplace. And here we'll do a quick demonstration of some hardware installation on a desktop computer. And the inside. Hello everybody, this is the inside of a Dell computer, and we're going to put some of the hardware components back in. Right here is our RAM, random access memory. This goes in here. Just clips in like so. Okay, then we have our video adapter. This goes in one of these slots here, the motherboard, and the hard drive. Okay, we'll pan out for a full shot of the inside of the computer and put the case back on. That is computer hardware installation. The expectations of an incoming computer science or information technology major, you're going to experience a lot of programming classes, software development classes, hardware organization classes, and they're going to be challenging classes, and you'll need to have a lot of perseverance and put in a lot of hard work, but it'll definitely be rewarding in the end, and you'll get to work on a lot of fun projects.
My name is James Lancaster. I'm a computer science major from Raleigh, North Carolina, graduating senior. And I chose computer science because growing up as a kid, I was on computers a lot. So I was already aware of the ins and outs of it. And with that, it just made me more interested in learning what I already didn't know. But what a lot of students don't know coming into computer science or IT is that one, you start off in your major, and two, it has to do with a lot of coding, which majority of people don't have fun with, but that's normal. But just if you're not a fan of it, you gotta become a fan if you really want to stay in the major, because you're gonna start off with it, and then once you're done starting, you're gonna have it throughout your college career, as well as having to have some type of knowledge of it when you go out and graduate and go into the real world and you're trying to get a job at a major and or a small company, because I've interned with both types of companies and they both require some type of knowledge of coding. One thing that I enjoy about my major and what I learned is that it's very broad. So if you don't like one thing about it, then you'll more than likely enjoy the rest of them if you're into computers. Like, for example, the internship opportunities that they have before graduation from companies as far as Red Hat, SAS, Cisco. I've done a couple myself with Blue Waters at Shoulder, and then even the Winston-Salem State IT department offers internships as well. So it's always just opportunities to learn more about what you don't know.
At the end of the day, you're learning a language. You're learning Java, Python, C#. And if you really want to see success in your academics and in your professional career, you just have to do work.
The major in information technology, it provides a high quality, application-oriented undergraduate education. And it's in computer science, information technology, and it prepares the students for a productive employment or to go to graduate school. When they finish information technology, they should be able to demonstrate the ability to solve computing problems that's appropriate to their levels of professional experience.
And the hard work does pay off. As a sophomore, I've been granted opportunities to work in the IT department, and right now I mainly deal with customer service and going off to faculty members in their offices and to help them with any problems that they have. And also I will be interning at Nationwide this summer for their information risk management department, and all those opportunities wouldn't have been available if I hadn't did my hard work in class and made sure that I network with the professors, because that really is key. Networking is key to success. And just getting to know your peers, because we're all struggling, and when you and your classmates can connect together with your workload and just combine your minds, you can be successful and you all can get through the class together, which makes life a whole lot easier. Again, for all my women, if you're interested in computer science or IT or MIS, don't feel discouraged because you don't see a lot of faces like yours in the classroom. You go and you work hard and you get the work done, because at the end of the day, STEM needs more women anyways. So come out, see me and Elva Jones, offer the best assistance that I can. Good luck.